Don't tell on me. So this part is part 14, and I'm cleaning the rocker cover for the double overhead cam on my CB750 Custom Exclusive. Just getting the grime off. I put some gunk on there yesterday and just get the worst of it in the dishwasher. A bit of auto gleam and a Dremel tool with a polishing bonnet, and just over and over again. So for this video, I'm not going to bore you with the entire clean, but I'm just going to do the centre to see the process and see how clean the autosol gets the rocker cover. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.